Did you know that your body contains enough carbon to make 900 pencils? That's right, the same element that makes up the graphite in every pencil you've ever written with is coursing through your veins right now. Let's explore just how much carbon is hiding inside you. Carbon makes up about 18% of your body's mass. That's roughly 13 kilograms of pure carbon in an average adult. To put it in perspective, that's about the weight of a medium-sized dog. All of it carbon, just bonded to other elements like hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Pencil graphite is made from carbon atoms arranged in layers. A standard wooden pencil contains about 15 grams of graphite. Do the math. 13,000 grams of carbon in your body divided by 15 grams per pencil equals roughly 900 pencils. You could literally write with yourself. But here's what makes this even more mind-blowing. That carbon isn't just sitting there. It's actively building every cell in your body, your muscles, bones, skin, and brain. Every protein, every strand of DNA, every thought you're thinking right now is made possible by carbon atoms. And here's the craziest part. The carbon in your body didn't originate on Earth. It was forged in the cores of dying stars billions of years ago and scattered across space. You're literally made of stardust, 900 pencils worth of it. Want to learn more fascinating facts about the chemistry of your body? Head over to Sikho.ai and expand your mind.